Have you ever thought about how far humanity has been able to go? We've discovered the wheel, fire, ships, and even the atomic bomb. But these are not greater than another achievement of ours. Humanity went to space. Not only did we learn to fly, but we embarked on a long journey within our own galaxy by escaping the influence of our planet. And we achieved this as early as the 1970s, about 70 years after building the first airplane. 70 years may seem like a long time, but for such an accomplishment, it's like a grain of sand on the beach. Today, we will talk about the Voyager 1 mission, which is one of humanity's greatest achievements. It's currently the bad boy of our galaxy, traveling with a golden record. It has been on the road for about 47 years, approximately 24.4 billion kilometers away from us, or in other words, 15.2 billion miles. When numbers are this large, they may not mean much to many of us, so let's put it this way. The Earth's circumference is about 40,000 kilometers, so Voyager 1 has traveled approximately 599,000 times the circumference of the Earth in 47 years. Actually, it has traveled more due to its spiral movements, but we don't want to confuse you too much. If you're ready, let's take a look at Voyager 1 and that cool golden record. In 1969, NASA proposed the Grand Tour, a project involving 2 space missions that would visit a total of 3 planets. Although it gained President Nixon's support in 1970, it was canceled in 1971 due to pressure from Congress and the newly approved Space Shuttle program. The program, with some budget cuts and modifications, was approved in 1972. Information from the Pioneer 10 spacecraft helped Voyager's engineers design it to better withstand the intense radiation around Jupiter. Just before launch, strips of kitchen-grade aluminum foil were added to certain cables to further enhance radiation shielding. After these efforts, Voyager 1 began its journey on September 5, 1977. We won't enumerate the scientific instruments on board, but let's take a look at one of the coolest parts, the golden record. The record contains selected sounds and images representing the diversity of life and cultures on Earth, intended for potential extraterrestrial intelligent life forms or future humans to discover. The record is made of gold-plated copper, enclosed in an aluminum case, and coated with ultra-pure uranium-238. Uranium-238 has a half-life of 4.51 billion years. A civilization that discovers the record can determine its age by examining the ratio of uranium to the elements produced by radioactive decay. The content of the record was selected by a committee chaired by Carl Sagan. Sagan and his colleagues compiled 115 images and various natural sounds such as waves, wind, thunder, and animal noises. They also included music from different cultures and eras, greetings and messages in 55 languages.
Hello from the children of planet Earth.
Hola y saludos a todos.
Herzliche Grüße an alle.
And written messages from President Jimmy Carter and United Nations Secretary General Kurt Waldheim. The image collection includes both black and white and color photographs and diagrams. The initial images depict mathematical and physical quantities, the solar system and its planets, DNA, human anatomy, and reproduction. The collection also includes images of animals, plants, and natural landscapes, not just humans, to represent humanity comprehensively. Many photographs include scales for time, size, or mass. Some images depict chemical compounds. All units of measurement used in the images are physical quantities that can be found anywhere in space with the same consistency. We don't know if there are aliens out there in such distant places, and if there are, whether they are advanced enough to understand us, but they might exist. What do you think? Will a civilization that discovers this record contact us in the future? We await your comments. Or perhaps we'll find the golden records of another civilization and reach out to them.